A person was feeling down and disconnected. And then they found the source!
Yeah!
Others had told them they couldn't be helped.
We're not others!
Yeah!
We found multiple vertebral subluxations.
And we know how to adjust them!
Yeah!
They were nervous about chiropractic.
Nerves to heal!
We delivered the lightning and they started crying.